Hello guys! Unreal Engine 5.6 is coming with many exciting game-changing features, and I am really excited for these features. It says we can use Android device video as well for making facial animation of MetaHuman. Before this update, we had to use third-party plugin to do that, but now it's officially here and it is available in preview version as well, so let's try it out. First, you will need to install this free plugin, which will make depth data of our video. If you don't have this plugin, go to Fab and search for MetaHuman Depth and add this in Epic Launcher. Also make sure to add this as well. So here I added my MetaHuman. And enabled all this MetaHuman plugins, so our map and character is ready. From here, you will be able to access Livelink Hub. We are going to use captured footage, so change this and here add mono video. Now in device details, provide the folder where your video is located. After that, just press the start button, and now our video has depth data. Now we need to create MetaHuman Performance, where we will make face animation from our video. Here I added the footage and my character's face mesh. I was thinking why it does not have process button and why is it asking for MetaHuman identity. Then I realized I forgot to change this input type. It is not a depth footage, it is mono video, so change this option here. Click this button to estimate focal length of acting video. It will automatically estimate that and will help in getting better result. And our face animation is ready from some random clip, which format is MP4. So that's the only thing you have to keep in mind. Now let me set up a level sequencer. Now here, I added my face animation, but it was not playing, so when disabled this baseboard, it worked.
I am Iron Man.
You can see even subtle expressions are there. Now it does not have head rotation animation. So I added this head movement control and it worked, but it was looking weird because my character's body does not have animation. If we put both animation together in sync, then it will work perfectly. So if you want to make animation in budget, you can buy a head rig for facial animation and another mobile camera setup like this so that you will have both face and body motion captured data. I hope you got to learn something from this video. See you in the next video.